Welcome to another episode of Original Homes with Vegan. This is Dr. Priyanka and Dr. Rakshi for BHK at Rajpuri. For the living room, as soon as you enter, you will see this huge mural wall, but we didn't want to do the entire wall with mural. So we added just a part of it in the wallpaper. So we have just divided it into sections, added a little bit of it mural, and the above we have added some suspenders. Then we have added a lot of formal seating, a lot of furniture that was already there from previous home. We tried to match our paneling with the existing furniture. So this is an entirely a 60 feet long living, drawing and dining space. So how we have bifurcated is firstly with dividing the ceilings. If you look at our ceilings, we have done the similar ceiling in the drawing living room, and the dining room has a little different ceiling. We have also created some visual partitionings, like we have done this arch with a huge chandelier. This is the dining room. We have a 6-seater dining table, and we also have a crockery unit. We didn't want to do the entire wall as a crockery unit, so we just added some ledges with some profile lights, and we have given the entire 10 feet base cabinet of crockery unit. We topped it off with a center stone to highlight the crockery wall and to get that Indianness back. We have added a wallpaper, and here's the living room. For the living room, we have done a stone veneer finished TV cabinet, which is again very open, and some wall shelves, again finished in stone veneer. We just wanted to highlight this with a block of red and again in paint finish. And the opposite wall, we went with very neutral concrete texture paint and added a pop of color sofa.
So आज भी photoshoot चल रहा है. We'll go through this kitchen very quickly. We have this island over here, and we have given these 2 shelves over here for us to keep things that you would most often need. And we have these lights beneath that would help us with the functioning of chopping of vegetables or anything that you might be doing. We have given provision for inbuilt gas hob, a chimney over here, tandem boxes, and there is a lot of space for a lot of vessels. There are shelves over here for the spices and condiments that you would need more often. But we have added this detail of adding these pawns of the chess pieces. The kids over here, they are very passionate about playing chess. We have fluted glass shutters, and then we have the sink here. So this has different attachments. This is for the glass, and this is for drinking water. Here we have some wicker basket for the storage of onions, potatoes, garlic. That's about it.
So for the kids' bedroom, we have added the existing bunk bed that we already had. And for the opposite wall, we have made the entire wall for study cum storage. This entire overhead shelving is to store books and toys and games, because we have a lot of books. Then we have given this entire open countertop, which can be used for laptop, computer, studying, doing homework, playing games and everything. Even the kids' bedroom comes with a walk-in closet. For the cupboards, we have done an interesting detailing of fabric handles so that there are no sharp edges. And we also have an LED mirror, which is a full size, so that the entire room looks bigger. So this is the parents' bedroom. We went with very neutral yet soothing colors. So we have done a half and half paint on the walls, and we have added some wall panels, which is a mix of a cane laminate. If you have noticed, we have not added the wardrobe inside the bedroom because we had a provision for a walk-in closet. But amongst these panels is one hidden door for the walk-in closet, and only that opens and you access the closet from there. Smart, right? So this is the master bedroom. We have a nice narrow passage where we have added some moldings, and then on this wall we have added a couple of lights with moldings and a frame to make it look very Indian. Then we have curtains and upholstered bed. For the bed back, we have done a very unique 3D art, which is again Duco painted. So this is made in an MDF, then Ducoed it. For the seater, we have made a basic storage in the bottom, but in the top to give the sense of height. We have also added a nice CNC panel and then Ducoed this entire wall. For the walk-in closet, we have added a similar color laminate on all sides because to keep it simple and minimal. Yet this laminates have some Indian motifs, which makes it look very Indian, which goes with the theme. And the handles, we have matched it same with the Duco wall on the outside. See, on the opposite side of the walk-in closet, we have this huge LED mirror, which just makes the room complete.